Hi guys, it's me, Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna open a new baby alive because I'm the winner for the 2 round of declamation. So let's open it. It's here. There is it. Let's open the wrapper. Wow! Look at the baby alive. It's a fairy. Now let's open it up. Mommy, can I get the scissors, please? This is the sharp scissors. Like a sharp beep, a sharp beep, sharp. Now let's open the box. Oh my gosh. It's so hard. Let's open it up. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is the, what is this? There you go. And this is the put in your head of your baby. And you're gonna put some ice. And let's get the other one. Oh my gosh. Mama, can you take it? So hard. There I go. I got it. There it goes. Put the box in the bottle. There we go. This is my one piece. Put it right there. Let's put this one. This is wings. Look at the video. There goes the baby. Look at this cute baby. And she's a fairy. And you have a cute bottle. And it opens on. You can put your water for your baby alive. You feed him like this. There you go. And you just squeeze this. And it will get up. This is the diaper comes with him. So if she potties, I'll get the diaper off and get another diaper. And this is his cute wings. Look at his cute wings. So cute. And this is she's paint for she's head. This is what it was. Gonna paint his head. There's all the stuff we got. And the baby doll. Look at his pretty dress. He have glitters on it. And yours have an orange in here, no glitters. This is so cute. Now let's get the head. Give me the water, Mom. Okay. This is the water, guys. Let's fit it. Let's put it on it. Oh my god. And let's start painting it. Oh, there it goes. Where's the paint that I'm getting it from? Just like that, squeezing Orange's face. Get up, let it go. There it goes, guys. There's this paint that is not seeing this right up part. Let's That's right, I'll get with another video with this. Let's fill her with the water. Let's put the cap on. And let's put the diaper. Of course she pees. Let's put the diaper, guys. There she go. Now let's feed him. Here we go. Let's see how she pees. There. Open the diaper. There's have no coming pee-pee again. Wait, I see here is on here. The pee-pee's here. There we go. And let's brush his face. Let's see how she look like if he have a face. Here, it's just there. There we go. Now she looks like a real princess. And if you hold just magic one here. Wait, you can hold just bottle because you have a hand up here. Look at guys. This is all I stuffed with my people life. A diaper, the head for. Bye guys, thanks for watching with my new baby alive. Thank you guys, bye.